During Pitot-Static or air data system testing, the adapter is not just a small accessory. It is a critical part of the test setup. If the adapter does not fit correctly, seal properly, or match the aircraft application, the technician can lose time chasing setup issues instead of focusing on the actual inspection or troubleshooting work. Nav-Aids manufactures Pitot-Static test adapters, air data accessory kits, dust covers, and related test equipment used across aircraft maintenance and avionics workflow. These products are designed around specific aircraft, probe styles, and test requirements. That matters because all aircraft are not built with the same Pitot-Static configuration. The wrong adapter can create avoidable problems. It may not seat correctly, it may create leakage, it may slow down the setup, or it may require the technician to stop and verify whether the test issue is coming from the aircraft or from the equipment connection. That is why aircraft-specific test adapters are so important. They help create the correct interface between the aircraft and the air data and Pitot-Static test equipment. For shops handling RVSM-related work, aircraft-specific test setups are especially important because the work may involve tighter testing requirements and more specialized procedures. PJI supports maintenance teams, avionics shops, and procurement departments by helping source Nav-Aids products based on the aircraft type, part number, test equipment, or specific maintenance requirement. If the customer knows the aircraft model but not the adapter part number, PJI can help narrow the search. If they already have a part number, we can help check availability and sourcing options. In aviation maintenance, small tools can have a major impact on workflow. A properly matched Pitot-Static or air data test adapter can help reduce setup timeframes, support better testing confidence, and keep maintenance moving.